Okay, hello everybody. You join me at the rather familiar Caltex Porirua, where we've got a brand new car wash here. The Laserwash 360 has been upgraded with this beautiful new Laserwash 360plus featuring light up wash arm and the new posh version of the gantry. Now I'm recording this on my phone, which I've never done with a car wash before, but never mind, we'll make it work. Okay, I'm just going to go forward a little bit. Helps me put the fucking car in drive. Okay, to the pay station. Handbrake. Now, there is a payment thing here, but I've actually got a ticket from in the shop with a QR code that you should just scan here. Yep. Code is accepted. Get my fat ass in. Windows are up. Drive forward. Slowly, of course. To get the pre-wash, which we can see nice and clearly. Oh, look at that. Keep going. Stop. Vehicle in park. Wash bay door is coming down. Might have to run the wipers so that I've not done this on my phone before, so I'm just going to have to watch to make sure that it focuses on the machine. Okay. So this is the first time, I'll turn the engine off, that I've done a 360 plus with this style of gantry on it. Because it's the first one in the Wellington region. Also the first one in the Wellington region with the illuminating wash arm. I'm going to take my sunglasses off because they're whacking into the top of the car. Like I say, I hope my phone camera is going to be okay for focus, because I've not done a car wash on this phone before, but should be okay. Now, I think the LED lights on the back of the wash arm are not quite working properly, but considering that we won't really be able to see the back of the wash arm from inside, I don't think it's going to make much of a difference. Now, this car wash has just been upgraded this week, so it's literally been in operation for a few days. So this really is fresh off the press, this upgrade. This particular Caltex, a very, very long time ago, had a Ryco Ultra Clean. That was removed in 2010, and then they didn't have a car wash for a while. They left the wash bay empty, and then in 2013, they brought the car wash back with a classic Laserwash 360, one of the first of its kind in the Wellington region. And that lasted up until just up until the last week or so, when this fresh 360 plus has got him. Now, there are actually a few other 360 pluses with this style gantry down in the South Island, particularly in Canterbury, operated by Big Dave's Car Wash, but those particular machines do not have the dryers. So this is actually the first time in New Zealand that we've got this style gantry with the onboard dryers. So here we go, high pressure. That nice coloured lights. Some other features of this new machine. Instead of the forward and backward arrows on the side, we now have it at the top here with this stop, put car in park, forward, backwards things. And we also have an updated design for the progress bar, which is quite nice. Oh, triple foam. Nice. Proper triple foam as well. Always a bonus. Always nice when the triple foam is actually triple foam. This car wash is fairly busy, but it always has been because it's the only touch-free in the Porirua area. But I suspect it's also even slightly busier today for the fact that the car wash over at BP is out of order. Oh, overglow. Very nice. I think we get a bit of a high pressure pass from overhead on the way back. And we get another pass with the wash arm. And we should go over to drying. The only thing is though is it does not have swing air, it just has standard static drying, but that's okay. The dryers are still very powerful. There you go, you can see that updated signage a little bit better there as well. Excellent. Okay. Fantastic. That was fun. Beautiful. Nice brand new laser wash. Well, I hope everybody enjoyed that. I certainly did. Thanks very much, everybody, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more, then you can visit my channel and see over 1,000 more videos, or you can subscribe to see my latest videos when they're released. You can also follow me on Instagram, where you can see more exclusive, fresh and original content.